Hey there, stress professionals. Ever feel like life's moving too fast and you're getting left behind? Well, you're not alone, but what if I told you there's a way to unlock a hidden well of strength within you? It's called meditation. Now, I know meditation might sound like just another wellness buzzword, but trust me, it's been around for thousands of years, helping people just like you find peace and resilience in a chaotic world. So, what's the big deal with meditation? Here's the scoop. Meditation isn't just about sitting in silence. It's a scientifically backed method to rewire your brain and boost your inner strength. Studies have shown that regular meditation can actually change the brain's structure and function. Yep, you heard that right. It enhances areas linked to self-awareness, emotional regulation, and resilience. Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. That's the power of meditation. It's like giving your brain a daily workout. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment. Just a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. Let's dive into a simple meditation you can start today. Find a comfy spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit down, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, focus on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. As thoughts pop into your mind, acknowledge them and let them go. Return your focus to your breath. It's okay if your mind wanders. The key is to gently guide it back. Do this for just 5 minutes a day and you'll start to notice a difference. Over time, this practice can help you stay calm under pressure, make better decisions, and build a resilient mindset. It's like having a superpower in your back pocket. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, you have the power to change your state of mind. Take a moment, breathe, and tap into your inner strength through meditation. Unlock your potential. Find your peace. Start meditating today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Catch you next time.